literally. Oh, bitch! Oh, bitch! Happy, that's not normal!
Yeah, and then he just went and
You ain't gonna talk to it!
Jesus, will you fucking kill me, you freak?